Hello everyone, it's Jen. I am going to demonstrate a transition I like to do on the floor. I think it feels nice. Part two of this will show another transition that I frequently teach. And the benefit of both of these, I think, is that they end up in a side sit sort of position, which is a great way to strengthen the muscles in the arm and the obliques and put our hands in a position we don't often need to put them in during everyday life. So you're going to need a floor. You're going to come onto your stomach. To begin, let your hands rest wherever's comfortable. Mine are going to make a diamond shape on the ground, and I'm going to place my forehead on the ground. Bend your knees so that your feet are standing up towards the ceiling, and simply tilt your feet to the right, and then tilt your feet to the left. As you do this, let your pelvis respond. So as my feet tip to the left, the right side of my pelvis lifts a little bit. As my feet tip to the right, the left side tips a little bit. Just do one more each way. Take a break. That also feels nice for the quads if you've been doing a lot of running or jumping. From here, you're going to take your hands right beneath your shoulders. You're going to bend your knees so your feet are standing on the floor. Sorry, so your feet are standing on the ceiling. They cannot stand on the floor in this position. You're going to tip the knees, the feet. You're going to tip the feet to the left. When they don't go anymore, you're going to press into your right hand and come up into a side sit position. Your knees may either be stacked on top of each other, or I'll show a variation where they're split. Whatever's most comfortable. To reverse it, you're going to take your right hand. That was the last thing to leave the floor. You're going to move it back to where it came, from where it came. So it's on the floor. And you roll back to your stomach. So again, feet move to the left. My right knee starts to lift. I'm going to press through my right hand. So I'm in a side sit position. And down. Going the other direction. Tip my feet to the right. Press into my left hand. It's like I'm pushing the floor away from me with the left hand. Side sit position. I take my left hand. I reach it back over. As I do that, my feet start to lift. So it's up, down. I can do a split stance with my feet if I want, which would look like that. And just play with it. And see if you can begin to make it fluid and easy. Give it a try, see how it goes, and if you like these sorts of things, check out part 2 of this tutorial. Thank you.